Okay. Hello everyone. I think you can able to see my screen, but let me check. So if anyone there, you can text me. Let me know if my if anyone there. Okay, fine, right. I think it is audible now. Okay, so today we will see about some functions in MS SQL. Sorry, SQL Plus. This is Oracle SQL actually. Daily I work with MS SQL, and suddenly I got yeah. Okay, so there are some functions in MS SQL. Sorry, again, there are some functions in SQL. So in that, these are few functions which I'm going to teach you today. I'll give you some examples. If you have any doubt, then you can chat in the chat box. Then we will see, like, if you have any doubts in Excel or SQL or Power BI or in Tableau, so all those things we can discuss if you have any doubts, or else I'll go only with these functions today. Okay, so I'll put live on every Saturday, so on that day we can clear if we have any doubts. Okay. So I'm starting with Friday, but next time we will tomorrow we don't have any live, but next week, upcoming week, Saturday we'll be having live. Okay, so I'm checking what are the tables I have. I have a table like employee. Okay, I have employee table. Select star from employee. Okay, so few things are there. Okay, so what is this? This is ABS, means absolute value. Okay, this means absolute value. What do you mean by absolute value? Okay, it converts negative number to positive number. Okay, so how it converts negative number to positive number, we will see. Like, suppose if I have only positive numbers here. Okay, so if I wanted to make it as negative, then I will add a column here. Like, see, if you see, select employee name, comma, sal, I'll take commission. Before that I'll take, okay, select e name, comma, NVL of, comma, commission, comma, 0 minus salary as basic salary from EMP. So if I do this, what will happen is it will minus commission minus salary. Okay, so that what I'll get all the negative numbers here. If you see, my basic salary is negative numbers. So this numbers, if I wanted to convert it into positive, then what I have to do, we have to give a ABS function. Okay, I'll do ABS of NVL. Right, if I do this, what happens? The same, if you see here, the statement of SQL is same here, but I have added ABS. So if I have added ABS, that is absolute value, then all these negative numbers have gone to positive. Okay, have you understood this? If you have some doubt, like select ABS of minus 500, okay, from dual. Okay, so the ABS of minus 500 is 500. If I do like this, select ABS of 400, which is positive number, then it won't convert it into negative, it will be positive only. Whatever the value is, if it is negative or positive, it will give positive value only. So that is absolute value. Okay. So if you have any type of negative number, like select ABS of minus 5.6 from dual, okay, if I do this also, it will give positive number. So this is how the ABS function work. Okay, so what is seal now? Okay, what is seal? What does seal do? See, actually we have two functions here, seal and floor. This both we will see together. Okay, what is seal and what is floor? In our common language, the seal means the upper part and the floor means the lower part. Okay, if you have a, if you are in a room, okay, we have floor and also we have seal. For seal we will be having fan, floor we will work, right? This much you have understood. Okay, right. So what happens here? The seal means upper number and the floor means the lower number. Forget about the log. Okay, some people will think that log of 10, that is also floor only, right? That means that will be in base only, so I think that is floor. No, it's not like that. So I will show you one example. If you see, okay, if you see, select seal of 5.1 from dual. Okay, what happens if I give this? It will revert answer as 6. Okay, it won't have any mathematical logics, like till 5.4 it should be 5 only, from 5.5 it should be 6. It doesn't have that logic. It will give the seal number, that is, if the decimal is whatever the decimal is, it will give the seal value. Okay, for example, if I take the same one, but here I'll take 5.01, then also it returns 6. Okay, now select floor of 5.01, okay, from dual. Okay, if I do this, what happens? It returns 5. I will give one more example. Select floor of 5.99, okay, which is almost 6 from dual. So it should return 6, right? No, it will not return. As per mathematical logic, that means if you round the value, then it will obviously show the 6, but here it will show 5 only. Okay, this is what the difference between seal and floor. This will be majorly used in Tableau, or it will be used in SQL also, based on the logic that you are applying. But these seal and floor are very, very important functions. Okay, it will give the next larger number. It will not give, returns next smallest whole number. It returns next larger whole number. Okay, and now this is mode. What is mode? Mode means reminder. It will give the reminder. Mode means reminder. Remember this. Okay, how it will give? what actually it will do. For this I'll take calculator. What is 5 divided by 5? 1. Okay, this is answer actually, but we are not getting any remainder. Okay, 5 divided by 5, the remainder will be 0. Okay, the remainder will be 0. If I do that one, see, select mode of 5 divided by 5 from dual. Okay, sorry, select mode of 5 comma 5. What it will give? It returns 0. Okay, when you divide two numbers, I mean if you do like this, select mode of 5 comma 2, which is not divisible, then it will returns 1. Okay, this is very important. 5 is not divisible by 2. Okay, 5 is divisible by 5, 15 is divisible by 5, 10 is divisible by 2, 20 is divisible by 2, 20 is divisible by 10, 20 is divisible by 20, but 40 is not divisible by 11. Okay, so select mode of 40 comma 11. Okay, from 12. Okay, what it returns? It returns 7, because if you divide 40 by 11, then you will get the remainder as 0. Okay, here we have select star from employee. So we have some numbers like employee number. Okay, I'll do like this, select star from employee, where mode of emp number comma 2 equal to 0. Okay, what it will returns? If you see, it will returns only even numbers. See, it is not giving odd numbers, it is giving only even numbers. So if I do same thing, which is equal to 1, then if you see, it is giving only odd numbers, not even numbers. Okay, if employer is asking you like, I want only the even numbers of employee number, okay, then, or if he is asking for odd numbers, then you can apply this MOD function. Okay, so hope now you have understood it, right? I can't apply it on salary. I can apply it on salary also, because one number, if you see this one, we don't get. See, select star from tab, where MOD of sal comma 2 equal to 1. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think the data type of the salary is not in integer, might be the reason. Okay, might be the reason. Okay, but the concept is same. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now we will go for another one, which is power. Okay, what is power? X comma y. Okay, so what is power? Power means, like, if you wanted to do the power of 2, okay, which is 2 by 2, sorry, 2 times 2, okay, that is 4, like that it is. Select star, sorry, power of 2 comma 2 from 12. give me a moment. Okay, so here we have, okay, see the power of 2 comma 2 is 4. Okay, select power of 45 comma 60, which is a very bigger number. This is okay. The calculation will take much time, but in SQL it won't take much time. It will give the number as it is. Okay, like if I wanted to go for select power of 10 comma 5 from 12, okay, which is 1 lakh. So this is how the power works. This is also very important one only, the power also. You can use it for main things. Now the round. Okay, what is round? How does it returns the value? Okay, this one you have to see. Select round of 5 comma 4, 5.4, sorry, 12. Okay, if I do this, what happens? It is returning me 5. When we discussed about seal and floor, you remember what is the seal of this number? Is 6, and what is the floor of number, this number, which is 5. But if you do round of this number, then it is showing 5. Same like this, if I go for 5.5, okay, then it is showing 6. I told you that time only, till 5.4 it is 5 only. Okay, from 5.5 it will convert it into 6. That is rounding it. Okay, select round of 5.52 comma with 2 decimal from dual. So like this also you can do. Okay, if you are rounding it, then what does it show? It will show the exact number, but how it exactly works is 5.525. okay, and then what it returns, what as per mathematics it should be 5.23. so that number only it will returns 5.53. okay, if I write like 5.64, then what will be the answer? 5.56 only. Okay, 5.56 will be the answer. So this round concept you have to understand well. Okay, so I think you might have studied this one in your school or in your college. The same concept applies here. When you are rounding the values, then it will convert it into, if you are giving 0 as a round, like see, if I give 0 as round, then it will obviously give 6, because there is no decimal number. We are rounding it off. The decimal numbers we are rounding it off to whole number. Like I mean, the float number we are converting into integer, but if it's not converting, just I am telling you. Okay. Round of x comma y. So this, in this only, it will round the decimal number. Okay, it might be round up or round down, whatever it is. Now what is trunk? So trunk means it is trimming some value. Okay, it is trimming out some value, like select trunk of xx USA xx, okay, x USA. Okay, I wanted to trunk this one. Dual. What it will happen is, give me a moment. So I have already taught this one in sorry, I'm extremely sorry, like the trunk is not that one. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, the trunk means it will not round up any number. Select trunk of, okay, so trunk of 4.55544 comma 2. Okay, if you see this, it is not a rounding up. Okay, this one I will show 5.5. This you will understand. If you use round, okay, if you use round, then what will be result? It will be 4.55. okay, but if you are using trunk, then it is not doing anything. Okay, this is what the difference between round and trunk. Okay, select trunk of 5.99 from dual. What it will give? It will return 5 only. If I do like this, comma 0, then also same. If I do 1, then it will give 5.9. okay, this is what the magic of the trunk. Okay, then we have length. Select e name comma length of e name from emp. Sorry. Okay, so what it will return is, it will return the number of characters. Okay, it will count these characters and it will give that answer with you. Like Smith has 5 character, Word has 4 character, Martin has 6 character. Okay, like that it will return. Okay, it will show the length of that particular record. Okay, and next, what is lower? So here if you see, the e name is in it is in uppercase. Okay, it is in uppercase. If I wanted to convert, select e name comma lower of e name from employee. Then what it will give? It will return the capital letters to small letters. Same thing, like upper we have e name. Okay, obviously it will show it as upper. This is quite interesting, but I don't think we don't go in much in deeper with this lower and upper. See, if you see, this is what the lower and upper, and the initial capital letter also the same thing, like initial cap of e name. Then what it will return is, it will return the first character as capital letter. Okay, like in, select init is capital letter of aspire light. So what it will return? It will convert the initial letter to capital letters. If you see, it has converted aspire of A of aspire to capital, L of light to capital. Okay, this is how this initial capital letter works. Next, what is concat? Concat is combining of two things. Okay, like select concat of Mr. or MS comma e name from employee. Okay, so what it has done, it has concatenated this Mr. or Mrs. with e name. That's it. Okay, combining two records, I mean two cells. If for your clear understanding, in Excel we will do, right, the concatenation. Same thing here also. L trim and R trim. Select L trim from given. What it will do is it will trim this component like X from left hand side. That's it. Okay, select L trim of e name, comma, we wanted to write something like S from employee. So what it will do, if anything is starting with S, like see, Smith has converted to myth. Okay, so other things are not starting with S. So Scott, see, Scott has become Cot. So like that it will work. The same thing, like if I wanted to do N R trim, then it will work like this, like N Martin, for N Martin, N has gone. So for a simple example, I'll show this one only, like R trim YY. Then if I want to remove Y, then it will remove Y. Okay. So what if I wanted to remove both? L trim X. Okay, this is how it works. It is all about the logic. Okay, it is all about the logic you build. Okay, so this is how about the functions of the few functions of regular SQL. Okay, if you have any doubts, then you can ping in the comment section. If you watch this later also, then you can ping it. I don't mind. I think I did not receive any notification for this. That's why I might have missed this live. But if you have any questions, then you can come up with them. Okay, that's all for this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.